This is an era of bank-fintech partnerships. That's what Mr. Parag Rao, the country head, payments, consumer finance, technology and digital marketing at HDFC Bank told Moneycontrol in an exclusive conversation. Rao was speaking at the launch of the HDFC Bank Smart Hub Vyapar Merchant app today. Here's what he had to say on bank-fintech partnerships and what it means for HDFC Bank going forward.
We do believe this is an era of partnerships between large institutions like ours and the fintech community. Okay, I think this is only going to help bring the best of both the worlds to the table so that we can actually co-create products, whether it's a platform arrangement or a distribution arrangement, and actually bring significant more value to our customers. And I think it's going to be a play of partnerships in jointly opening up markets, growing the market together. So I think it's best for both the sides, if you may call so, to jointly co-create products and go to the market. It is an era of partnership, and we do believe very strongly in this partnership philosophy. And we will continue growing the market with partnerships.
He also spoke about the number of merchants the bank plans to acquire going forward. Listen in.
We are already the merchant leader or the market leader in the merchant acquiring space with a 50% share plus of card acceptance volumes. And we do believe that Smart Hub Vyapar will help us become dominant even in the UPI space. Okay, we're a very large force to play in the SME space today already as an existing bank, not only for India but also for Bharat. And we are one of the leading liability players with our extended branch network. When you put them all together on a digital platform, you have Smart Hub Vyapar, and we do believe that this will help us significantly grow our capability. We are 3 million plus merchants today. In the next 3 years, we expect to be at 20 million here.
We could not leave him without asking him about the impact of HDFC and HDFC Bank merger on the bank's digital banking activities going forward. Here's what he had to say on that.
The merger is about two very large institutions with very large consumer bases coming together. Okay, we've seen that there is a little bit of overlap of customers, but I think by far will be two unique sets of customers coming in. One is the large customer bank franchise which bank brings to the table, and the customer franchise which HDFC Limited brings to the table. It only increases the opportunity for the whole suite of banking products and services to be sort of cross-sold to this base. And so therefore, we see this as a very important step in the growth of the HDFC Bank franchise in the years coming forward.
Talking about the process of card tokenization, which kicked off in October, Rao said that there has been a huge ramp up in the types of tokenization transactions that have taken place. He's also expecting the process to go smoothly across the banking sector.
I think the migration or the customer migration, which is happening on the fly at the time of transactions, is happening pretty smoothly. The banking industry has been working on this for the last more than a year now. We've had intense, a lot of work happening. We've had a lot of discussions even with the regulator with a focus to ensure that the migration happens smoothly and that customers don't face any, especially any problem, especially during this. And I think by far that's been happening. The situation is being monitored by far, and we're seeing a significant ramp up of tokenized transactions already happening as we speak. So I think it's going good, and we'll continue waiting and watching to ensure that now as we ensure that all 100% of the transactions also be tokenized.